In this video, we want to look at creating a new Excel file based on an existing one, so using a template. So I want to use this test file here as my template. So I'm just going to firstly copy the path of this file. Then I'm just going to look at my file, and my file just states this is my example, this is my test file, and also my template on the first tab only. Okay, so I'm just going to close this file. I'm going to save it. And I'm going to go on my macro, and I'm going to use two variables to create this new file. First, I'm going to say I want this variable myNewFile as workbook, which is going to be the new file I'm going to create. And then I want the path of the file that I use as a template. So first, I'm going to identify the path of this template file. So I'm just going to input here the path I just copied. And afterwards, to create this new Excel file based on that template, we're going to use set the variable myNewFile equals to Application.Workbooks.Add. And very important here, in the parentheses here, we're going to put the variable path file template to indicate that we're going to create a new file based on that file. And then I'm just going to set the focus on the new file. So I'm just going to launch this macro. And now I can see that I have a test file number 1 on the title, and I can see that there is the text that I wanted. So if I go back to my template, you can clearly see that I can open both at the same time. It's called test file, and then we have test file 1, which is the new one we created with from the template that we just showed before.